guys!
What's up? We are back this Wednesday with a tag video. What is the tag?
It is the Crazy for Food tag.
And
we're crazy for food.
And
So we're doing the tag.
which means we're answering a bunch of questions related to food. Let's start.
Okay, question number 1. What food could you eat every day? Momos.
Home food. What's your favorite restaurant?
At the moment, I'm going to say Bastion.
Bastion
Bastion.
in Bandra.
Okay. What city has the best food you've ever eaten?
It's a tie. I mean, I've grown up in Delhi. Delhi has superb food, but also New York has great food.
New York. I'm going to say New York.
Great food. What do you get on your Subway sandwich?
I think I used to have the Italian meats one, which is like ham, salami, cheese.
Now, I haven't had Subway in a while, but I remember
Yeah.
my favorite used to be the roasted chicken breast.
Yeah. I mean, we haven't had Subway in like ages. Like,
Years.
yeah, in years. What do you get on your pizza?
Margarita.
Pepperoni.
Margarita.
Pepperoni.
Margarita.
Pepperoni.
Margarita.
Pepperoni.
That's why we order 2 pizzas. And we eat 2 pizzas. Is there a food that you've always wanted to try?
Can't think of any. Do you have one?
I've always wanted to try miso, which is a Japanese soup.
Right.
I've never really gotten around to
You never
tasting
tried?
it. No, I've never had
I
miso.
have. It wasn't.
No? But I want to try it.
I want to try, I don't know, like something weird, like bugs or something. Like, you know, like.
But you have tried bugs, yeah?
Yeah, but more bugs, like different bugs.
Oh, so you want to eat bugs,
Eat
basically.
bugs.
Fine. Next time I see a spider,
You
I
cook
know-
it up
I,
and
I know. No, I know where to put it. In your mouth.
Tell me about your worst restaurant experience.
There have been a few, but the one that's come to my mind is this place which is shut down now, and it used to have this dish called the angel,
Oh, I know.
the angel hair pasta, and it was supposed to be an Italian pasta, but every time I ordered
That
that
looks
dish,
like hair. It was as thin as hair. That's why it used to be called angel hair.
yeah, but there actually used to be like a strand of hair. Every time I would order it, I had to send it back.
Yeah,
And
it
I
happened.
stopped going to that place
It happened
after
like
that.
2-3 times.
Yeah, it
Vaibhav.
was
like, I don't know,
disgusting.
he had like the worst luck whatsoever. Like every time it was like,
I think it was a cruel joke that the chef used to play on us. Angel hair pasta here. And what about you?
I can't really think of one. I can't remember one right now.
Really?
Move on.
Who's a better cook, your mom or your dad? My mother.
Yeah, your mom is a great cook. Both my parents don't really cook regularly, but I'm gonna say my mom. Like, she makes a great lobster thermidor, and she used to
That's
bake.
the only thing I've had here.
Yeah, and she used to bake a lot when we were kids, so I guess my mom. What is the one food that you just fail at making? Any kind of food?
Every food. Anything.
Yeah, I don't think we're successful.
But I can
in
boil
that.
eggs really well, actually.
Wow.
That counts. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Name your least favorite foods.
Capsicum or any kind of peppers, I'm not really fond of them.
Really?
Yeah,
Like
I always say no capsicum
red
and
pepper.
stuff. Yeah, I don't particularly like it.
No? I love it. My least favorite food would have to be anything chatpata. Like, I don't like masala or too much spicy food. Like, I don't like that.
Anargana.
Yeah.
Yum.
Hingoli.
Yum.
Yeah.
Yum.
Golgappe, I don't
Yeah.
like. No. Yeah.
Raw or cooked veggies?
Cooked.
Cooked, yeah.
For sure.
I'm not a raw veggie person.
For sure. How do you like your steak?
Well
I
done.
don't. I don't eat steak.
I like mine well done. Do you enjoy baking or cooking better?
I like it. Like
In
both.
your dreams, which do you
No, I
prefer?
like both, but only when someone else is doing it.
In my dreams, I prefer baking.
Oh. What did you bake last night in your dream?
A big fat chocolate cake.
Oh, yummy. What's your favorite fast food place?
Burger King. I like Burger King a lot.
I don't eat a lot of fast food, but I still like the Domino's garlic bread.
Oh yeah, their cheese garlic bread is yummy.
It's really nice.
Name a food place that you wish that was closer to you.
Bastion. Ultimate favorite dessert.
Something lemony. Lemon tart, lemon cheesecake.
Something chocolatey. Chocolate cake, chocolate tart, chocolate bomb,
Mousse.
chocolate mousse, chocolate
Ganache.
fondant, chocolate ganache. Chocolate.
What food do you gravitate more towards at a party? Sushi. Like I always like to pick on sushi.
Yeah, even I would say sushi. Yeah. It's good. Favorite food to eat at Christmas?
Marzipan. Love marzipan.
I don't really have anything special that I eat at Christmas, so nothing.
What's the first food item that comes to your mind now?
Crab.
Now you put crab in my head because you said crab. Crab. Yeah.
Such a copycat, Shahrazad. Do you have any weird food habits?
I eat fruit after food, which I mean people say is not good for you.
Yeah, you shouldn't have fruit right after.
Well, I do that.
When I eat chocolate, I like really eat chocolate.
Yeah,
I eat
Webber can't have
loads
a
of
piece.
chocolate,
He has to finish the whole thing. Like
Yeah.
it's like the slab is gone.
If it's left in the fridge, then it just preys on my mind. Like I don't get sleep. It's like I'm
Kill
tossing.
it, like you kill your
like
cravings.
tossing and
Webber.
turning. It's like
Kill
that
it.
piece, and that piece calls out to me.
What holiday is your favorite for food?
Diwali, because of all the sweets.
Oh yeah, the mithai is yummy at Diwali. I'm gonna say Parsi New Year because we eat all like the fancy Parsi food at Parsi New Year.
That's the only
That's
real
the only
festival you
festival
have.
we have. So yeah,
What's the one food you would never have?
like horse meat or dog meat. I don't think I could ever eat.
Yeah, dog meat. Oh my god, that's terrible. Yeah, I don't think I would have that.
Do you know your best friend's favorite food?
Yes, shawarma.
Most of my best friends are veggies, so like veggie stuff.
What's the best thing your mom makes? Rajma chawal. Yeah, man.
Lobster thermidor. What's your favorite style of eggs?
Sunny side up.
Scrambled.
Sunny side up. Sunny.
Okay, you get it.
Sunny side up. I want them right now.
Yeah.
Go make.
Yeah. You really want me to make your eggs?
No. Sherry, do not make my eggs because then it will not be my favorite. Name your favorite restaurant that closed down.
Busaba.
Busaba.
But they're reopening.
When?
Soon.
Really?
Yeah. Do you like your bread toasted light or dark?
No.
Dark. Yeah.
Do you like spicy foods? No.
Yes.
No.
Love it. Love
No.
it. Love
No, no,
it.
no.
The spicier the better. Seafood.
Bring it on.
Love it.
First food that comes to your mind that is green.
Broccoli.
Spinach. So that was the crazy for food tag, and
If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up.
comment below.
Comment below with your like answers to the questions as
Yeah,
well. Like
yeah.
answer whatever you want, and if you want to do the tag, be tagged.
Your tag.
Your
You have
tag.
been officially tagged.
Bye bye.
See you next Wednesday.